Hello everyone! Today we are going to understand what point calibration is and how we can apply this feature in the SurveyPod app. Point calibration is used when you don't know where the previous base was set up, but you have some known points from an earlier survey. A new surveyor can use those known points to align the current setup with the old data. In simple words, point calibration is adjusting your base position by matching newly measured points with previously known coordinates, so your new survey matches the old survey data. Let's open the SurveyPod app and understand how this feature actually works. Once the base setup is completed, open your SurveyPod app and log into your ID. Once logged in, create a new project and give your project a suitable name and hit Apply. Once the project is created, we can add a new layer. Give your layer a suitable name and hit Confirm. In this scenario, we have gathered the coordinates and location of 2 points from the previous surveyor. Once we have reached the first point, we can add that point to our project. This will be our measured point used for point calibration. Now click on the left side arrow and select Point Calibration. Now click on Measured Point and select the point we just took. Now click on Known Point and select Manual. We can now enter the coordinates of the known point manually and hit Apply. Now that we have both the points, we can proceed with point calibration. Now that the point calibration is applied, we can examine the calculated shift to see how much adjustment was made. As we have calibrated the system using a known reference point, we can verify the accuracy by measuring the second known point and compare the observed coordinates with its actual values. That completes the point calibration process. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for more tutorials on improving survey accuracy and workflow. Thank you for watching this video.